how you doing? It's Joe Suddick here, and today we are going to learn the song Pink Pony Club by Chappell Roan, the big hit. Let's dive in, let's see how it sounds. So first of all, let's look at the left hand. So there's only one time that you play this chord, there's 5 chords in total, and the first chord that you only play right at the very beginning, and that's D7. The way they play D7 is you put your first finger on first fret on the B, middle finger then goes on second fret on the G, and then ring finger is going to go then on the second fret on the E. And then when you're strumming, you miss out the low E string and the A string. So you give one nice brush. There you go. And make sure that your fingertips are on top of the strings, and then make sure that when you're playing this chord, all of the notes sound out, so make sure that the fingertips are nice and tall. A really good tip to get to this chord fast is put your hand on your leg, your left hand, and what you're going to do is very simple. You're going to put your first finger on B1. And then once you've got that B1 down, you're going to put it back on your leg. And do this a couple of times just to program the chord. Because D7 is a bit of a tricky one, especially if you're starting out. So what you're going to do is you're going to go like this, B1. Then once you've discovered B1, you can then go B1, G2. So then you go first and middle. Put it back down, start again. B1, G2. Put it back down on your leg, and you keep doing this until it's comfortable. Once that's comfortable, you go 1, 2, 3, like this. Get all 3 fingers. You then add the ring finger on that E second fret. So you put a hand on your lap, and then get there as quick as possible. 1, 2, 3. If the chord is incorrect, slow down. Trust the process. 1, 2, 3. You're programming your fingers like you're programming a computer. Once you get it, you'll never look back. Now, so let's look at that main sequence. So now we're going to move over to the G chord. Top tip, if you're a little bit new to guitar, because this is a really good beginner song, what you want to do is, if you're really struggling with the big G, you can just go for an E3 like this, and then when you strum your G chord like this is an easy G, you miss out the E and the A string, so you're just strumming from the D, and so that you've got open D, open G, open B, 3rd fret on the high E string. So that's how to do it. If not, you go for a full G chord. If you're feeling brave, you're going to go like this. You're going to go like this. Start with first fret. Start with the first finger, and that's going to go on A2. Middle finger is going to go on the top string on our E3. And then our ring finger is going to go on our other E. So it's going to go on our high E, and that's going to stretch all the way down like this. So then we go, there's our full G chord. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to move over to A minor. So A minor is the second chord, which is jumping over. We've got B1, middle fingers then on D, 2nd fret, ring fingers on G, 2nd fret, like this. Top tip, to get this faster, learn your string names. E, which is our low E, A, D, G, B, E. And if you need some help with that, Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. It's a classic. So we've got G, or easy G, whatever's easier. Now we've got A minor. Now we're going to move over to E minor. We're going to put our index finger on the A, 2nd fret, middle fingers on then the D, 2nd fret. Everything is open, strum all the strings. Like this. Make sure your fingertips are nice and tall. If you find, top tip, if you find you're getting this sound, what you want to do is then you want to drop the wrist and then make sure that your fingers are taller. Get them really nice and tall. Guaranteed you're going to get a good sound out of the guitar. It will take some adjusting, and it might be worth adjusting and experimenting with different parts of the finger. But keep persevering until you get it, because I know you'll get it. Now finally we're going to go for the C chord. So we're going to go like this. It's a B string, and that's 1st fret. We're going to stretch over to then the D string, and that's 2nd fret, and then 3rd fret on the A string, miss out the low E string, and then strum from the A all the way down. So then those are our chords. So for the introduction now, we are going to strum the chord, and we're going to strum the chord on the first beat, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to change, hit the A minor on the first beat, 2, 3, 4, then we're going to go for E minor on the first beat, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to go for C first beat. So then these are our verses. So then when we're playing, after we've done our D7 for the beginning, do one single strum, we then go to our sequence, which is G, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, 3, 4. And the top tip, because changes is one of the hardest things for a guitarist to get used to, my top tip is take your left hand and you're going to just mark through all of the changes to get used to them. That is going to save you so much time. And just sit there, put a timer on for about 5 minutes and just change between all of the chords. Go at your own pace first of all. And what you're doing is making sure that every time you're changing, keep it the same every time. I'm always going for a 1, 2, 3 motion. 1, 2, 3. So whenever I'm changing, me personally, I like to move and go for the first finger first. Keeps everything organised. So I go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So my 1, 2, 3 is 1 first finger, 2 middle finger, 3 ring finger. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And keep rolling around. Once you've got that, speed up. So you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And then what you do is when you're strumming, you go 1, 2, start to move. So move earlier just so that you hit the beat 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then as the verse progresses, we're going to start using this strumming pattern. So we're looking at the right hand now, or your strumming hand. And you're going to go like this, down, down, up, down. As you can see when I'm doing my 2 ups, I've got an invisible down. So it's down, down, up, down, but don't hit the strings. Up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So then that's our strumming pattern, what we're going to be playing. Then what happens, you're playing the same sequence. You've got 2 strums, which is 1 and 2. 3, 4, 1 and what I'm doing, I'm taking the side of my hand after I've done my 2 strums and I'm just chopping the strings, and that's going to stop the sound. So I have absolute silence, which creates an amazing build up. So you've got that. You're a pink pony girl and it dances at the club, oh mama. So you can hear that impact, and then the minute the Pink Pony Club comes in, you go back to the strumming pattern, down, down, up, down. Pink Pony Club, I'm gonna keep on dancing at the Pink Pony Club. I'm gonna keep on dancing at the down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Then you do the whole sequence again. And there you go, that's Pink Pony Club in a nutshell. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if you've got any questions. Check out the link below for the JS Guitar Lab. I am very excited. I'm going to be launching a brand new guitar course, but in celebration, I'm inviting you to come join me for a 1-hour free guitar lesson. That's right, a 1-hour free guitar lesson. So all you need to do, hit that link, and you just type in your email address and your name, and then you're good to go. Come join me on the 13th of September for a free guitar lesson, and come to check out the course as well. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.